So if you're a personal trainer currently working in a commercial gym and you're offering free personal training sessions, but what you're finding is at the end of those sessions, people are either saying, no, thank you, I'll think about it and get back to you, or for the ones that maybe do sign up for a couple of sessions, after that, you don't see them ever again, and you're finding it a real challenge to build your client base. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple method that I used myself when I was an in-person personal trainer in commercial gyms that I believe can help you to attract the right sort of clients that stick with you long enough so that you can get them really good results and start feeding that back into your business and build your business up to the level you want to get it to. And it's all based around giving 20-minute presentations in your local fitness gymnasium. So there are 5 steps to it. Let's dive into what step number 1 is. Step number 1 is having your ideal client range. Now, in my case, it was people aged 40 to 60. Why? Because when I started out as a PT, I was in my 40s and I found that I connected easier with those sorts of people. Not that I couldn't work with younger people, but it was just far easier for me to connect with that age range. So that's your step number 1. Step number 2, you want to make sure that your presentation is going to be helping somebody to solve a big enough problem that you know people are prepared to invest in. Now, typically people go to gyms for probably 3 key reasons: general fitness, maybe some sort of rehabby issue, back, shoulder, knee, that type of thing. Or the biggest one, the biggest one is weight loss. So that's the one I'd recommend you focus on if you don't have a particular area of interest at the moment. And then step number 3 is to decide what aspect of that big problem you want to speak about within your 20-minute talk. Now, clearly, weight loss, there's 3 key areas to it. There's mindset, there's nutrition, there's exercise. You can't cover all those 3 areas in 20 minutes. So get really specific about which area do you want to speak about. So let's say hypothetically you're going to speak about nutrition and you're going to maybe drill that down to speaking about protein specifically within your presentation. Step number 4 then is to come up with your free talk, your free 20-minute talk title. We're going to call it your signature talk. And that title might be something like how to eat as a woman over 40 to accelerate your weight loss. And then the subheadline might be without starving yourself. Now just think about this for a second. If you create posters with that headline and that subheadline there, and you start, sticking those up around your gym, for the person that walks in that is age 40 to 60 that's got a weight problem, they read that. How interested do you think they're going to be in attending your presentation? Do you think it's going to be more attractive for them to attend that than it is for them to attend a free personal training session? In my experience, I had way more traction with people attending these talks than ever, delivering sort of free PT sessions. So that's your step number 4. And then step number 5 then is to create your free talk. And I'd recommend, because it's only 20 minutes, have a maximum of 5 bullet points and ideally probably 3. Once you've created your presentation, you're then going to promote it. I'd recommend you give yourself anywhere between, 2 to 4 weeks to get the word out there that you're delivering the presentation. You booked your facility or your room within your gym. And then you're going to deliver your presentation. And on the back of that presentation, let's just say, hypothetically, let's be conservative, you get 10 people that turn up for your presentation. And out of those 10 people that turn up, let's say, conservatively again, 4 of them book in for a consultation. And of the 4 that book in for a consultation, you sign 2 of those up as high paying clients that are with you for the next 3, 6 or 12 months. I would say in my books and certainly in my business, that was a great return on investment. And once you've got that working, there's no reason why you couldn't deliver this every single month. Or you could even create similar talks covering different aspects of the weight loss problem. So you've covered the nutrition, maybe then cover the mindset, maybe then cover the exercise. So you could be delivering in any month 3 presentations and picking up potentially 2 to 6 to maybe 8 clients in that 1 month, depending upon the size of your gym. Now, if you have any questions at all about this, or you'd like any help with this, go ahead, click the link below. I'll be more than happy to have a conversation with you. Alternatively, you could click on my free client growth blueprint, which will talk you through a lot of the steps I've just gone through.